In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on AliExpress. First, open the AliExpress app or head to the website in your browser and log into your account. Being signed in ensures your cart, saved items, and shipping details sync properly across devices, and it helps you see accurate shipping options and prices for your location. Next, search for the product you want to buy. Use clear, specific keywords to narrow results, and try adding details like a model number, material, or size to refine your search. You can also use filters for price range, shipping options, and ratings to quickly zero in on the best matches. When you spot a promising item, tap the product listing to open its details page. Take a moment to scan the full description, specifications, and photos. Look for delivery estimates to your region, and review the seller's rating, the number of orders, and buyer reviews with photos. These are your best indicators of product quality and seller reliability. If multiple shipping methods are available, compare cost versus delivery time to pick what suits you. Before moving forward, select the size, color, or variation you need. Many listings have several versions of the same product, and the price can change based on the option you choose. If you're ordering apparel or shoes, check the size chart in the description and confirm whether it's shown in US, EU, or another standard. Match the variant image to the option name to avoid surprises. Choose the quantity you need. If you're ordering multiples, glance at any bulk pricing or shipping changes that might apply when you increase the quantity. It's also worth checking stock levels if the item is popular. Click Add to Cart. This saves your selection without committing to buy, so you can keep browsing, compare alternatives, or build a single order with several items to save on shipping. Open your cart to review everything carefully. Confirm each item's variation, quantity, price, and shipping method. Make sure the delivery estimate works for your timeline, and look for any available coupons or automatic discounts. Remove duplicates or items you're unsure about so your total is accurate. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. You'll see a final summary of your items, shipping choices, and total cost. If you have a promo code, apply it here and confirm the updated total. Then follow the on-screen prompts to place your order. That's it. Simple, clear, and efficient. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're ready to shop confidently and get exactly what you need on AliExpress.